Okay, so in this session, we are going to discuss one more important and interesting topic of MongoDB called as indexing. Okay, so the definition of indexing is mentioned over here. As you can see, indexes supports the efficient resolution of query, but will not understand the concept of indexing by looking at this particular definition. So we'll consider one example. As you can see, the example is written over here. Okay, so consider we have a data of 10 lakh students. Okay, and now I want to display the record of student whose ID is 9 lakh. Okay, so in that case you will use find function. Obviously you will use find function. So in order to find out the record of student whose ID is 9 lakh, you will write one query which looks something like this: db dot student dot find, and then inside that you will mention the student id as 9 lakh. But if you use this particular thing of in order to solve this scenario, this will take some amount of time to fetch your records. Okay, so this is happening because your find command, or you can say your find function, will scan every document in a collection. Okay, so basically your find function will scan each and every document in the collection. That's why it will take some time to fetch your records. Okay, and uh, so in order to solve this particular scenario, we will provide an index. Will provide an index. Okay, so indexes, what exactly indexes are nothing but my spatial data structure that stores a small portion of data set in an easy to traverse form. Okay, index stores the value of specific field, or you can say the set of fields ordered by the value of the field as a specified in an index. So basically indexes are nothing but my data structure. With the help of indexes, you can efficiently and quickly fetch your record. It is as simple as that. Okay, so unfortunately I cannot show you the practical implementation of indexing because I will require that much amount of data, right? So we'll learn this concept to the theory itself. So how to create an index? Okay, so the function for creating an index is create index. Okay, as you can see, now we'll understand the syntax of index create index function. As you can see, the syntax is db dot name of the collection dot collection index, and inside that I have to specify the key and one. Okay, so here key is nothing but a name of the field on which you want to create an index. So basically indexes are created on unique values like student IDs, employee IDs, and so on. Okay, so you must be very careful while creating an index, because indexes cannot be created on a name, or it cannot be created on a salary field. Okay, so age field, it must be created on a unique fields. So key is nothing but a name of the field. So for example, if I want to create an index on student ID field, then the command will be this. Okay, command will be this: db dot name of the collection, which is nothing but our student, dot create index, and inside that I'm creating an index on which field? Student ID field. So here one is nothing but create index in an ascending order. If you mention -1 over here, then it will create your index in a descending format. So when you execute this query, you will get this particular message, or you can say you will get this particular response from MongoDB. So this is all about indexing. Indexing is a very important topic and interesting one. So mostly indexes are used to retrieve your records very quickly and efficiently, because your find will take some amount of time to fetch your records, because it will scan each and every document in a collection. Okay, so this is all about indexing. If you have any queries, then do let me know.